Hello and welcome back to another episode of Math with Son. Today we're going to be evaluating g of f of x and f of g of x and things like that, which are sometimes called Goff and fog and Goff. All right? So when this happens, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be taking the f of x function, all of it, and be plugging it in for x into the g of x function. Okay, so that would look like this. So this entire f of x, this x squared and the minus 3x, is going to replace this x. So if we did that, it would be x squared minus 3x and then plus 5. And in some cases, you will have to do some operations, but in this case, it's literally just going to be x squared minus 3x plus 5. And in other cases, you're going to have to multiply and distribute, which will happen in the other examples. Now, g of f of x, this is the exact same problem. So these are the exact same thing, just written two different ways. What if we had to do, get another piece of paper here. Let's do h of g, h of g of x, or h of g of x. If we had to do that, then we'd be plugging all of g of x into h. All of g of x gets plugged into h. So that would be the x plus 5 would have to be plugged in for this x. So it'd be 2 times x plus 5 minus 7. You would distribute the 2, get 2x plus 10 minus 7, and then combine any like terms, which ends up being 2x plus 3, and that would be what h of g of x is in this case. Now the h, the g, the f, all of those equations are going to be provided to you. A lot of times students ask that. Where do those come from? They're provided. They're not something you have to come up with. It is provided to you. And sometimes they'll even have a problem where there might be a number in front. Let's say there was a 5 or something like in front of this problem. Well, if there was a 5 in front of this problem, we would do everything the same, and we would get this answer the same way. But if there was a 5 in front, you would have multiplied the final answer by 5 to get 10x plus 15. So this would be the answer that you would get if there was a 5 in front. All right, we got one more in store for you. This last one is going to be a little more annoying, but it's no more difficult. It's just longer because of the nature of whatever happened with the problem. This last one is going to be f of g of x, which changes nothing. We are still going to be plugging in that g into f. And the issue is because there are two x's, we have twice the fun, so to speak. So if I plug in x plus 5 in for that x, it would be x plus 5 squared, because it's x squared, and then minus 3 times x plus 5. So we would have to FOIL this. You cannot distribute the squared. You would have to FOIL it. You'd have to write it out twice. That's so much fun. And then FOIL it, which would be x squared plus 5x plus 5x plus 25. And you'd have to then distribute the negative 3, which makes minus 3x plus minus 15. Combine any like terms you got. We got 5x, we got 5x. That's going to combine and make 10x. Plus 25, but I should have thought it through because I'm going to have to combine that with negative 3x and negative 15. Oh well, I write another line. 10 minus 3 makes x squared plus 7x. 25 and negative 15 makes plus 10. Ta-da! All right. So I got one more. This last one is an upgrade. So if this seems like what you're doing, then this last one is an upgrade. It's more of like a Algebra 2 honors / upper level pre-cal type of thing, maybe college type of class. Sometimes it happens in a regular Algebra 2. It's f of g of h of x. Something like that. Okay? So here, I'm going to go through the process. I might not finish the problem because, well, yeah, I'll finish it. I won't be lazy. You might not want to finish it either, so I'll finish. Plug this part, the h of x, into g. H of x goes into g. And then we're going to get an answer, and we're going to plug that into f. We're just going to continue working our way further from the right to the left. So if I plug in this into g, I would have 2x plus 7 plus 5, because I'd be plugging that into that x. And if I do that, it would end up being 2x plus 12. So that's h going into g. I got that answer. Now I have to plug that, which is 2x plus 12, into the f of x function. So now I'm going to plug this into the x squared and this x. So this is going to be 2x plus 12 squared minus 3 times 2x plus 12. We have to FOIL this part out. So if we FOIL that part out, it'd be 2x plus 12 times 2x plus 12. And then minus 6x minus 36 from distributing the 3. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times 12 is 24x. 12 times 2x is also 24x. And 12 times 12 is 144 minus the 6x minus the 36 because these guys just drop down. Any like terms, let's see, we got 24 and 24, that makes 48, but then 48 minus 6 is 42x. 4x squared had no friends, that's sad. 144 and negative 36 is, grab a calculator because I don't want to screw up on camera, 144 minus 36, 108. So this would be plus 108. There we go, bing bang, we're done. That's going to do it for this one. I will hope to see y'all in the next one. I hope you have a great day. See y'all later. Bye.